Welcome to this short tutorial about the account usage AR setting in standard accounts. You should use the account usage AR setting to select accounts and text templates to be used as defaults in your accounts receivable transactions. These defaults will be used in the absence of accounts or text templates being specified elsewhere. When you are in the accounts receivable module, select the settings icon in the navigation center and choose Account Usage AR from the list. The Account Usage AR Inspect window will open. On the left side of the window, you can specify the accounts you would like to be used in the general ledger in transactions that are generated from invoices and receipts. For details about the process of having these general ledger transactions generated automatically, please refer to the video describing the subsystem setting. Debtors. When you approve an invoice that is posted to the general ledger, its value, including tax, will be debited to a debtor's account. When you approve a receipt, its value will be credited to the same account. This balance on this account therefore shows how much your company is owed at a particular time. To enter an account you want to use as your debtors control account, use the paste special keyboard command, which is Command Enter, to open the accounts list or just start typing an account number. Choose the account you would like to use. If you would like to create a new account, select New or highlight one of the accounts in the list and select Duplicate. After registering information for the new account and selecting Save, the new account will be placed in the field automatically. Cash. The account that you enter here will be debited instead of the debtor account whenever you approve a cash sale. Round-off. Here you can choose the account to be used for round-offs in general ledger transactions which are created from invoices. A round-off may be created when an invoice total is rounded to 2 decimal places. This will usually depend on the sales tax calculation and on the number of decimal places in your unit prices and quantities. Write-off. The account that you specify here will be debited by bad debts written off when you use the Add Write-off function on the receipt screen. Sales. The sales account you specify here will usually be credited when you sell an item. However, you can choose to use a different sales account in an individual invoice row on Flip C. If you are subscribing to the item groups in-app, you'll also be able to specify different sales accounts in your item and item group records. Text template. In the text template field, you can use Command Enter to select the default template for calculating text values. The drop-down list will be linked to the records you created in the text template setting in the General Ledger module. When you raise an invoice, the system will calculate the tax amount based on the sales price and the tax rate specified in the templates, and the tax accounts linked to the text template will be credited. In some countries, VAT codes are used here instead of tax templates. VAT codes should be used where each sales and purchase transaction is taxed at a single rate, while tax templates should be used where different taxes and/or several tax rates are applied to one transaction. Base price. Use these options to specify whether the sales prices in your item records are to include tax. Use the tax code setting in the general ledger to define your tax rates. To save the account usage AR setting, select the Save button. If you don't want to save the changes you've made, use a close box and choose not to save the changes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions about this or any other functionality in standard accounts, please watch our other tutorials, visit our forum, or read our facts on our website, standard-accounts.com.